interesting playground of innovation. You know, we're obviously like the best in the field. I got to meet some really incredible people today.
I have had a lot of laughs. I've had my brain stimulated. I've met some amazing peers across the e-commerce retail market.
Honestly, we've been blessed to work with some of the brightest minds in Australian retail.
I'm very proud of the team as well. Definitely do it again. I think it was like an awesome experience.
I highly recommend it, and if you're brave enough to share your thoughts on Donna Wig, then you definitely must give it a shot.